Alright, so I thought I'd give you a bit of a look at the control box for the 110. So all underneath the driver's seat here, we've got power coming in and an earth over here. Big MIDI switches here, or sorry, MIDI fuses here. That one there would be a 70. That's for stuff like controlling, you know, or feeding thermofans and the like. And they obviously go through their own relays, but I want them to have, you know, quite clean power, and these things can only take up to, I think, 30 on a spike, so I don't want to use these little miniature fuses. Over here we've got a main pump, my lift pump, and I've split either side of this up between accessory power and ignition power. So that's mainly because, you know, I only want some things coming on, you know, with accessories, and some things coming on with ignition. It looks like a bit of a rat's nest in here at the moment, but yeah, it'll clean up shortly. I've got some spare wires here that I can wire in later, and I've got an OBDII Bluetooth sensor as well here, which taps in so I can reset faults and the like. So there you go, box of sparks.